Matter is something whose qualities we know completely through our mind. What if there is matter outside our mind? When we say that mind is made by brain or matter, we are saying either the mind is made by an unknown thing or from a known thing called mind, because all the qualities of brain we know from mind. What if whatever existing outside our mind exist existing what if whatever existing inside our mind exists outside our mind also? If this is the case, the only difference will be the mind which exists outside our mind make our mind, or the unknown thing called matter which exists outside the mind make mind. How does these things which exist outside the mind make mind? That we never know. On the first case, if the things inside the mind like color, space, touch, etc. is making the mind, it may be like these things making itself and knowing it. On the second case, the unknown thing called matter is making the mind. The matter simply makes the mind and knows it. The chemicals on one person's mind affect the mind of that person. Chemicals in another person's mind affect the mental condition of another person. Like that, one universe has different point of view. One universe is looked through different brains of different persons, each having a different composition of chemical. Does one space and time need to exist inside mind and one space and time exist outside mind? This explains why two persons have common events. When we do something on one's own mind, it happens on the universe and it happens simultaneously on other person's mind also. If we hit another person in our mind or knowing through our mind, the other person is feeling that blow on his body. But we know the other person has got that blow from inside our mind only. We know it through our mind. The mind shows us that. So our mind is a closed circuit. Everything we know, everything we know from inside our mind. But when we move for some distance and know this from our mind, this movement we know from our mind and happens on the space and time outside our mind. Thus, this movement is recorded on the space and time outside the universe as some charge, or is it the same moment as we feel on our mind? Outside our mind, does space and time exist, or something parallel, or which shows some changes in space and time of our mind exists? We don't know force really exists or not. We don't know where the force comes from. We cannot know how the brain makes the mind until we know how the force looks like. In science, the words we use like energy, force, matter, etc. is not clear till we don't understand what these qualities really are. We don't know how the brain makes the mind. We know an experiment by abstract concepts like difference yes no, measurement and physical nature like color, force, heat, etc. These are all part of our mind only. So we know some experiment by our mind only. If we know the energy released, it becomes part of us. We know energy as heat, electricity, etc. That nature becomes that nature becomes part of us when we know that. It is just like when we hit a chair, we feel some force on our mind. Thus, that force becomes part of our hand because we know that force in our hand. Thus, we know our mind's nature only when we know some other object. For example, if somebody sees beautiful woman, some attraction of beauty is felt on his mind. Actually, that attraction comes from his mind only. That attraction is part of his mind. That beauty is part of his mind. So we can know only that part of brain which is part of our mind. But what if we know images only? Light is going into the eyes and image is formed in brain. We are telling about images only. We are telling that we can know images only. It is because images become part of our mind. We can also know abstract ideas like difference, existence, yes, no, meaning, truth, etc., which is also part of our mind. Brain is made of consciousness and intelligent unknown thing called matter. This intelligence and consciousness exist on space and time. Abstract ideas and meanings like yes, no, existence, difference, etc. exist on space and time.